welcome. Amazon is fabulous. We can shop all the things that we want in the whole world. But what makes it even great is the day when we can get great deals on Amazon. Well, deals are just one of the ways you can save on Amazon. So what are the ways that you can save on Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can save up to $50 or $100 or even $1,000 on Amazon. Well, it all comes down to the promotional deals and the promotional coupons. Alright? If you can capitalize the limited time that they offer, the discounts and coupons and deals, then you can have your products at great price. So let's look at how we can get discount from coupon in Amazon. Well, that's pretty simple. Once you're inside the Amazon website and you are signed in, at the top you can see today's deals. Let's select it. Now at the top bar itself, you can see coupons right here. So let's select it again. Now there are products that has coupons available, right? If I want to take this one and select clip coupon and go to this product, and if we add to cart this item and go to cart, proceed to checkout, the coupon will automatically be added to our total price of our purchase. So what is the other way beside the coupon? All right, it is in the today's deals itself. Let's select it again. Now in today's deals, let's not go to coupons. Instead, just scroll and there are many deals up to 40% off limited time deal. If we select this, so it is saying this deal is not currently available. So let's try out another one. I hope this one will be available. Let's select this. It's not available too. Well, I'm not sure, but let's try out this one. All right, this is available. So it is saying typical price, deal price, and you save 16%. All right, we have to add this to cart, add to cart in here. Since this item cannot be shipped to my place, the add to cart is grayed out. But in your case, you can do add to cart. And when you proceed to checkout, the deal discount will automatically added to the price. All right. Now you know how to save not only $100 but even $500 or $1,000 in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.